What is an in-ground pool? Let's answer that question today. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button below if you like this video and want to learn more. Don't forget to follow us on socials as well. All right, let's get started. An in-ground pool is a type of pool that is constructed into the ground where the top of the pool aligns with the slope of the yard. These types of pools are commonly installed in backyards because of their sleek appearance and durability. However, they are also the most expensive type of pool and may take several weeks or even months to install. There are 3 types of in-ground pools: fiberglass, vinyl, and concrete, which is also known as gunite. Let's start this discussion about fiberglass pools. Pascal Paddock, a founding father of the pool industry, introduced the first fiberglass pools in the 1940s. Fiberglass pools are pre-built from a mold in a factory and shipped to the location, so they are not customizable. These pools are made up of several layers that add strength and support. The layers fuse together to form a tough and flexible fiberglass shell, which makes it the strongest pool by square inch in the industry. Fiberglass pools come in various shapes, from rectangles, circles, and amoebas to combination shapes with built-in seating, steps, and even tanning ledges. The average installation of fiberglass pools takes anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks, depending on the full design of your backyard. These pools can last anywhere from 30 to 50 years. Next, let's talk about vinyl liner pools. Several manufacturers discovered that polyvinyl chloride liners were a cost-effective solution to the problems, and by the mid-1950s, the first vinyl liner pools debuted. The base of a vinyl liner pool, which is the surface underneath the liner, is made up of vermiculite, which is also known as poolcrete. Typically, vinyl liners come in 20, 27, 28, or 30 mils in thickness. Vinyl liners are 90% customizable, so you can choose from multiple shapes, sizes, liner patterns, and features to create your own design. The average installation of a vinyl liner pool can take anywhere from 4 to 5 weeks. These liners need to be replaced every 5 to 10 years. Finally, let's talk about concrete pools, which is also known as gunite pools. The term gunite refers to the process through which concrete is transformed from a big old glob of thick goo into a beautiful and functioning swimming pool. Concrete is a mix of water, cement, sand, and a coarse aggregate such as stone or gravel. Philip Isley built the first concrete pool in 1940. Concrete pools are 100% customizable and give you the ability to choose the size, the shape, or any other features you may be looking for. The average installation for concrete pools takes anywhere from 2 to 6 months. If these pools are well maintained, your pool can last up to 75 years, but it will need to be resurfaced every 10 to 15 years. So there you have it, folks. Hope you learned a little something about in-ground pools. We hope to see you for the next one.